Hello everyone. I am very happy to have with me Dr. Shirin Bakshi. She's a proud Damzonian and she's secured a wonderful rank of 23 in May PGI 2017 postgraduate entrance exam. She's a very sweet girl and a little shy one as well. So heartiest congratulations, Shirin.
Thank
How
you,
do you
ma'am.
feel?
I'm feeling very good, and I would especially like to thank the dance faculty
Oh, that's so sweet of you.
because the teaching is excellent. And throughout I was a foundation student, so throughout my third year and fourth year, I was entirely dependent on dance for the teaching, for clearing my basics, for getting
Wonderful.
good grades in professional exams, and finally achieving this PG target of mine.
Definitely, and it's not a small thing to achieve a double-digit exam rank in in Central Institute. So this is amazing, and I think you should give credits to yourself for putting in that much hard work and being so persistent and dedicated. Wonderful. And Shireen, there are a lot of other students like you who are preparing, and
Yes,
they would
ma'am.
love to hear from you. What was your strategy for the exams? Because planning and strategy making is one of the important parts of preparation as well. So,
Yes,
your
ma'am.
wise tips.
The notes are they are excellent. They are very elaborate. They cover most of the things. You can solve the books, you can read them, but in the last few days, especially the last 20 days, you just need to revise the notes because that's what you recollect during the exam.
Right.
And they have almost everything. You don't have to depend on any other book during the revision at least.
Okay.
So that was my strategy.
So primarily, that's what she
That
says she's done. She's done the notes very, very thoroughly, and that's what has clicked for her. And Shireen, how important do you think is sitting in the class and understanding the subject for the
Of course,
kind of
because
exams that we have?
even if I used to miss one class and then I used to take the notes of my friends, I could not relate anything to that. So
Right.
it has to be your writing, it has to be everything written by you, understood by you. Only
Very
then you
important.
will be able to correlate what you understood and what you have written.
Great.
So you have to attend the classes because the visual aid the teachers give,
Yeah.
you recollect the teacher's expression, what they told, some mnemonics by
Yeah.
Sumesh Hetty sir especially. I used to remember those things, so they are very helpful.
And they somehow click back at the time
Yes,
of the exam.
exactly.
Right. That's very important, and she's giving a very wise piece of advice that when you are sitting in the class, you should be both you're physically there, but you should be mentally there as well,
Yes.
making concepts, clearing concepts. And once you clear concepts, Shireen, do you agree that the type of exam no longer makes a difference?
Yes,
Whether it is
of course.
NEET or PGI or
Yes.
AIMS.
Yes, it does not make a difference.
Okay, wonderful. And Shireen, since you have been a long, a 3-year student
Yes.
with us, I would want to know, did you have to look up things here and there besides the DAMS notes or
No.
anything that you want to
Even
say on
during
that?
my third year and fourth year, first I used to go through the notes. I had already made my concepts in the class,
Right.
and then I used to go through the standard textbooks, and it was so easy to
Wonderful.
understand that. And the notes highlight the important points, and you can see those points in the textbook only
Right.
then. Otherwise, you miss so many things.
So I think she's really saying it from her heart because this is something which students, when they do it, would only know it, right? And you should all take what she's saying and try and use it when you're doing courses with us, right? See, she used to go through the notes, and then reading the textbook was also so much easier, and things used to pop up.
Yes.
Right, that's wonderful, and that's a great piece of advice for your juniors, Shireen.
Yes, ma'am.
And Shireen, I'm sure this phase has been, it's been very mind-boggling and tough. How did you maintain your mental calm and, and being smiling and going ahead with your work?
Because this is I just saw a quote. It said the best way out is always through it. So you
Wonderful.
have to achieve something, you have to give your best for that, and after that you just
Wonderful.
you make your efforts and you leave rest to God and luck. It
That's
matters on the last day.
Oh, yeah, it's
So
3 hours of the exam do matter
yes,
a lot.
they matter a lot.
And it is more important to recollect things. And therefore, she says, if you put in your hard work, you will see
get
it
the
through.
result.
There might be a
Definitely.
little delay, but there's never a denying
Never
in it,
deny.
right? Wonderful.
Yes.
Okay, Shireen, can you just highlight a few points what your juniors should take care when they start their preparations? Can you divide it for maybe foundation students or somebody who's doing just a T&D for us? Could you Could you give them some wise tips?
During the foundation period, it's not necessary that you have to remember everything. You make your concepts, because once you read everything, it's very easy for you to revise during your internship.
Very good.
You might think that I am reading this, but I cannot recollect anything.
Yes.
You won't. You have to revise it during your internship.
So she says you have to keep revising it.
You just need to read and make yourself very accustomed to all those things,
Okay.
and then you just revise it once in your internship, and it will be very easy.
Okay. So she says just keep revising your notes.
And the TND during the internship, it will definitely help.
It will help. So it keeps you on track. It gives you,
Yes.
you know,
With the
timely targets.
latest questions
Yes.
and the trend that has been going on in the exam. So
Great. And Shirin, do you want to mention something about the newer trends? So the number of repeats are less. So how important do you think is doing the previous year questions?
the previous year questions will only tell you the trend. They'll never get repeated.
Yeah,
They were,
exactly.
even if you appear in the next exam, you might think that the question looks similar, but it won't be the same. It just confuses you. So you can go through the textbooks to see the trend, but finally you have to
I think that is
go to the
again
next
a very
level.
valid point, something that I also keep telling my students, that the idea of doing the questions is only to get oriented on what is being asked, but never to learn up their answers or go through the theory. That should be from your own notes,
Yes.
from authentic sources, right? And you should read those parts more in depth. I think that's a very, very important advice, and that's how you can do it in a smaller time as well, right? And Shireen, do you think doing guides is a wise idea with the changing trends?
No, I don't think so, because the guides they are not always correct.
Yeah, and they're
They
very
are-
random
yeah,
as
they're
well.
very random. So it's better that you do your notes, you do the standard textbooks while you are in your MBPS,
Okay.
and then you can clear all your doubts and all the confusing questions, like everything with the teachers and dams.
That's great. And there are a lot of visual questions these days, whether you talk about AIMS or you talk about NEET, right? And how do you think the students should approach the visual questions? Did you attend the visual session that we conducted?
No, I wasn't able to attend, but
Okay.
for the visual questions, while you are reading the textbooks, the same images come in the exam. They are no different. So even if you go through them once, then you will be able to go, because
Okay.
the questions also give you hints.
Hints,
And
very important. So she's
image-
again saying a very important thing.
yeah. So even if the image is not there, you can almost come to a conclusion between two
So
of the options.
she's very
So-
correct, and again, this is something coming from someone who has given the exam and she really knows it. You know, a lot of times it is not possible to know everything that you face in the exam, but if you know your theory content well, I am sure you can rule out options and
You can.
still be able to answer questions, and that's what you have to really do in the exam, for especially questions which are new, right? And there will always be some new things. So the more you target those areas, the rank keeps coming up. That's
And you
wonderful.
have to believe that if the paper is tough for you, it is tough for everyone.
Very right.
So don't panic, just be calm and do the best you can.
Wonderful. So those are wise pieces of advice from none other than Shirin, rank 23 May PGI entrance exams. Wonderful, Shirin. And Shirin, towards the end, a small message for your juniors.
All the best to all my juniors, and I would definitely recommend all of you to join the foundation course at DAMS, because it will really help it to the extent that you will even develop your clinical skills.
Wonderful. That is very sweet of you. We'll keep working on that matter. Thank you so much, Shirin, for being with us. It was a pleasure, and I wish you a bright future ahead. Keep smiling
Thank you,
and
ma'am.
keep shining. Thank you, guys.